Hello boys and girls, we are on lesson 81 in our Saxon math book, and it says to draw an 8 centimeter 9 millimeter line segment. So you start with your centimeter side of the ruler and you go 8 centimeters, so that's right about here. Then you go 9 tick marks, so that would come right before the 9 centimeters. Draw a 42 millimeter line segment. So 42 is 4 centimeters and 2 tick marks. And then you just put your end point. Serena babysits once a week. She babysits for 3 hours each time. Each tells me to multiply or divide. How many hours will Serena babysit in 4 weeks? So she does it once a week and she's doing it 4 weeks. 4 times 3. If you do not know how to get that answer, you can always draw a bar model, cut it into fourths, and put 3 in each. 2 plus 1 equals 3. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So my answer is 12 hours. Miss Mayers bought a dozen eggs. A dozen is worth 12. Draw the eggs. So when I see eggs, I usually see a carton of eggs and it has 6 on each side, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 plus 6 is 12. Draw the eggs. She used 3 eggs to make a cake. So if we had eggs, she used 3 of them. 1, 2, 3. What fractional part of the eggs did she use? She used 3 out of 12 because our total is 12. What fractional part of the eggs does she have left? Well, she has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 twelfths left. Show 9:55 on the clock. I always start with my hour hand, and I know that my minute hand is almost at 10 o'clock, so it's going to be pointing almost to 10. 55 is 5 away from 60, so this is 5 away from 60. If you can't do it that way and subtract by 5s, you can always start at 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. It's morning. What time will it be in 3 hours? So it's going to be 55 because the minute hand's not going to change. And it's morning right now. Let's see if it'll be morning in 3 hours. So we go 9 to 10. That's 1. 11, 2, 12, 3. It's going to be 12:55. Will that be AM or PM? It will be PM because it's past that 12 o'clock. Now, of course, you realize that this I counted as 1 hour, which I shouldn't have. Another way you could have done this is to make it look 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, because it's not quite at the 1. It's still 12:55. I just made mine look a little weird. Use the correct comparison symbol. Greater than, less than, or equal to. So 49, the square root of 49 is 7, because 7 times 7 equals 49. 16 minus 9 is 7, so 7 is equal to 7. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. The square root of 81 is 9 because 9 times 9 equals 81. So 8 is less than 9. 150, because 15 times 10 is 150. 420 minus 300 is 120. So 150 is greater than 120. We are going to add, these are both 0 because 0 plus 0 equals 0. 7 plus 1 is 8. Make sure to line up your place value. 2 plus 8 is 10. So I'm going to carry that 100s. 100 plus 600 plus 200 is 900. And do not forget your money symbol. Same thing over here. Put your decimal down. These are 0. 9 plus 3 is 12. I'm going to carry my 10. 1 10 plus 8 tens is 9 tens. 100 plus 4 hundreds are 5 hundreds. So my answer is $592. Put your period down here, or your decimal point. Zeros. 7 plus 7 is 14. Carry my 110. 110 plus 110 plus 8 tens is 10 tens. So that makes 100s. 100s plus 300s is 400s. So my answer is $404. Complete the pattern, find the rules. So my rule, I'm getting larger. So my rule is going to be P plus 3 plus 5 equals 8. 8 plus 5 equals 53. There we go. So 53 plus 5 would be 58. Do you see the pattern in the ones place? 3, 8, 3, 8. I'm betting this will be 3, 8. Back this way, 8, 3, 8. Now you just need to figure out what happens in your tens place. So it goes 53, 58, 63, 68. Go in reverse, it's going to go 38, 33, 28. I hope you can clearly see that pattern. I don't even have to count because I can see the pattern. It's 2 4s in the tens place, 2 5s in the tens place, 2 6s in the tens place. If you're going in reverse, it goes 2 6s, 2 5s, 2 4s, 2 3s, 2 2s in the tens place. My rule here is I can clearly see this is getting smaller by 2s. I'm getting smaller by 2s. So if I go 290, 292, 294, 296, 298. Now this is where it gets tricky. 98, 99, 300. 302, 304, 306. And that concludes today's lesson.